Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you as always for tuning in. And tonight for tuning in to my 3039th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. And of course, that would be me. Good evening, kids. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you. So, lots going on out there. Remember how risky trading is. Risky. Never trade without stops. Put those protective stops in first before you begin trading. You'll live a lot longer in this business if you do that. This video is for trading on Thursday, March 5th, 2026. Traders, let's get right into this. Nasdaq daily bar, Omni flips to green. Yay, we want a green Omni. In the last video, I pointed this out and said, look, if it holds here, wonderful. If not, it's a big bear flag. So we started with spigots got turned off by Powell, no more lowering rates, an adjustment is now necessary. And boy, was that a smart call, right? Look at the adjustment. Now, we hit the 200 bar moving average. Last time we hit it, we bounced, near it, bounced, hit it this time 3 days in a row. And starting to bounce, Omni turns green. I like what I'm seeing. Let's see where we end up. Holding so far the 200 bar moving average, a darling of Wall Street, right? We know this. Is the adjustment finally over? Let's take this one day at a time. I will be buying dips for trading on Thursday. What else is out there? Check this out. This I've been showing to you and trying to keep you in tune with the longer term analysis. Yes, day trading, we flip up, down, up, down. This is longer term. You've seen it in every video. The transportation average deemed the leader of U.S. indices. After the one-day stop run here, which I called capitulation, red bar, big monster, I called it a one-day stop run. One-day stop run does not mean this market is done. Downside capitulation likely happened. And if we hold this average and hold the green trend line, longer-term analysis tells us we are going higher, not lower. Why? Because the transportation average sees future activity, future purchase orders that are going to be built and sold in the near future, but not right now. So it leads out there. And it's been leading us higher, not lower. The signal is in. Adjustment is likely over. I gave this to you 3 weeks ago. Well, 2 weeks ago. And now it's, look what's starting to happen. So let's see. We'll take it one day at a time. We are going to be buyers of dips. Traders, check this out. Look at the Omni trading token. You guys are amazing. Look at this chart. Since the day we started it, just up, 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 and now I think we're in some sort of a pennant flag. Excuse me just a moment. I believe that's some sort of a pennant flag. So, watch this. You got the Omni moving really smartly higher. Oh, I'm sorry. They don't know when to say I'm not here. Hey, I got to call you back in 2 minutes. I'll call you back. All right. The Omni trading token, look at it. The same token. We're in a pennant flag now. After all these great bull flags and then this cone, we have a pennant flag now. Looks fantastic, doesn't it? So I wanted to show that to you, but there's something even more important. Look at this chart. This is Solana daily bar. These bars are Solana. This is the Omni trading token. We built the Omni trading token out of Solana. So if you put Omni and Solana on a teeter-totter, they're both, or a seesaw out in the park, they're both on the same side. If Solana goes down, it's supposed to drag Omni with it. Solana went down, 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 while our Omni coin went up, 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 which creates this monster spread right here. Now, here's what makes the spread interesting. Because they're on the same side of a teeter-totter, if Solana starts to go up, which it went up a lot today and it's going up again tonight, it automatically forces Omni higher, even if we don't buy anymore. It can't go lower if Solana goes higher, and it doesn't go lower when Solana goes lower because we've got an army of Omniacs around the world that is smart enough to not sell out. We're waiting for it to reach a much higher level. We're then selling out. Doesn't really affect the price of the coin. So this is fantastic news for all of us Omniacs. I wanted to make sure you've seen this. Now there is this. Don't forget about one thing. I want you to fill out your OmniCamp applications. I am doing OmniCamp in Amsterdam. There's 3 weeks left. If you want to sit with me, train with me, learn the Omni for 4 full days and nights in Europe, anywhere from Europe, you can reach Amsterdam. Go to Omni Bootcamp right now. Below this video is my Omni Bootcamp link. Click that. Below this video is the Omni Trading Tokens address. There are some imposters out there trying to be Omni Trading Token because it's done well. Make sure you use the address, the coin address below this video to buy your Omni tokens. You can buy them right on Coinbase. You can buy them on 5, 7 different exchanges. Buy your Omni tokens because of that spread I showed you. When Solana goes up, the Omni has to go up. And Omni actually doing a great job holding on. We've got some whales coming in. I promised you they were. Plus, I'm working on even more influencers now. When the whales come in, don't get out. Buy more with them. Welcome the whales. Their friends will follow. Organically, we'll take this thing to 10 million. Make sure when the whales come in, you don't get out, Omniacs, you holders. Buy a little bit more. Welcome our new whales. Traders, thank you for everything you do. Thank you for tuning in. Omniacs around the world who've been helped by this trading token, God bless you. I couldn't ask for anything better than to help your families. God bless you all. And this stops our emotions are out. Traders, go get your Omni tokens. Europeans, go hit omnibootcamp.com now.